Favorite movie?
Action.
Favorite song?
Hip hop.
Favorite food?
Pasta.
Favorite drink?
Radley.
Favorite cartoon when you were a child?
Tom and Jerry.
Blondes or dark-haired girls?
Dark Earth.
Which mobile phone do you use?
iPhone.
Favorite sport other than football?
Basket.
Which foreign club do you support?
Real Madrid.
Football idol?
Ronaldo.
Which teammate makes you laugh the most?
Baric.
Which teammate is spending the most time making his hairstyle?
Špora.
Which teammate is always late?
Mata.
Which teammate has the worst taste for music?
Špora.
Your hat-trick or victory for Olympia?
Victory.